Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, we are going to share you another great project called Stroopwafel Finance, and the website link is stroopwafel.finance. As you know guys, there have been many scam projects daily come in the market. They come and scam very fast without paying our investment back. But this Stroopwafel Finance is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future. But you guys know you have to invest at your own risk only. We are not a financial advisor. The presale of Stroopwafel token is live now. Grab yours before it's too late. Presale end date 7th October 2021 20 UTC time. Farming start block we can see here. Estimated date is 7th October 2021 20 UTC. Here we can see NFT collections. Check the newest collections. And here features NFTs we can see. See NFT marketplace for more information. Farms and staking button we can see here. Swaffle to harvest we can see. Swaffle in wallet we can see. Here we can find the announcements on their Twitter. If you want to join, you can join their Twitter also. Here we can see the Swaffle stats. Market capital is 0, max supply is 1.8 million, total minted is 1,80,000 and the total burn is 0, new Swaffle block is 1. Total value locked TVL is $0 across all farms and pools as the farming hasn't started yet. Here we can see Stroopwafel Finance presale. If you want to buy, first you have to connect your wallet from here. Then you can see the presale of Swaffle token. 8 lakh Swaffle token is on the sale now. Here we can see our wallet address, your total buy in BNB, your Swaffle share. Here we can see BUSD swap ratio is 1 Swaffle is equal to 0.87 BUSD. Maximum per wallet is 100 BNB. Fixed swap ratio is 1 Swaffle is equal to 0.0025 BNB. Presale progress we can see 2000 Swaffle already bought from 8 lakh Swaffle. Here we can join the presale. Presale end date is 7th October 2021 20 UTC. Remaining time is 11 days and minimum buy amount in presale is 0.01 BNB. BNB in wallet we can see here. If you want to buy this token, simply have to put amount of BNB you want to buy, then simply click buy button and the tokens will be delivered in your wallet. The presale airdrop is also live, means the investors of presale who had bought the minimum amount of 1 BNB will be enlisted to drawing list. One person will win 5000 BUSD, one person will win 3000 BUSD and other will win 2000 BUSD. The winners will be announced 24 hours after the presale ends. So if you want to participate in this airdrop, make sure to buy a worth token of 1 BNB. Regarding this Stroopwafel Finance, I want to say that there is no migrator code, time lock contract is there, tag rate at Ether Authority audit is in progress and NFT marketplace is there. Here we can see the countdown for the launch of farms. 11 days, 4 hours is been left and estimated target date you can see Friday, October 8, 2021. After the presale ends, you can buy this token on the PancakeSwap easily by swapping BNB to Swaffle. Here we can see the farms. Here we can see the live farms. There are a lot of farms. You can farm in anything, and here you can see the multiplier also 40x here and APR percentage, and all this liquidity will be added after the presale ends. Here is the pools also. We can see this all the pools. It will all be available after 11 days. Here is the NFT marketplace Stroopwafel collection. You can buy this all NFT collection if you want to buy, and you can see this all. There are total 2 pages. You can see this all and their amount also has been there. Here we can see the roadmap of this token on Gitbook. If you want to read, you can read this all out from this Gitbook here. Let's see the tokenomics of this token. Name is Stroopwafel token, symbol is Swaffle, contract address we can see here, chain is Binance Smart Chain, max supply is 1.8 million. Emission rate we can see, initial emission rate is 0.9 Swaffle per block, minimum emission rate is 0.1 Swaffle per block, 9.09% will be sent to the developer's address for further partnerships and developer funds. Here we can read all the buyback and burn mechanism. If you want to read, you can read this all out here. Here we can see all the information regarding Stroopwafel Finance, launch, roadmap, socials and partnerships on Gitbook. Let's see the BSC scan contract address of this token. Here's the contract address and here's the balance in BNB value. Here's the token tracker Truth Waffle and the contract creator at NTXN we can see here. And if we go down, we can find the transactions here. So guys, if you like this token, you can buy this token. It has 100x potential, and if you like this token, you will get all the links of buying in the description. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.